What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Joey here. I'm here to talk to you about my worship guitar course that I have created and put on my website, and it's called Guitar Chords for Worship Leaders. And the whole idea of this course is it's based on efficiency. So it's really designed to provide you as the worship leader or as the worship guitar player to really focus less on your playing and provide you with the most efficient chord changes and chord shapes, so that you really don't have to think a whole lot about it and you can focus on facilitating and doing other things like that. So this course is basically an instructional DVD in 2020. It's a downloadable PDF, and it's like 18 pages long, and it's like 50+ minutes of video. It's pretty awesome. So I have it split up into 5 chapters: chord voicings, bar chords, 10th chords, DADGAD, and Chapter 5 is about where to capo and how to know exactly where to capo to find the most comfortable playing key that you want to play in, if that makes sense. You can use this course for electric and acoustic. It's all interchangeable. I use it on my electric most of the time, but I also use it when I play acoustic as well. And the chords are very much interchangeable, and it's all based on efficiency, like I said. Changing the chords and not really having to move very much, but also providing you with really good chord shapes, really full sounding chords. Like I said, it's a PDF, so you just click on the video and open it. So I've got like 50 minutes of this. So how you download this course is you go click on my website in the link above, and you can go straight there and download it. Feel free to tag anybody who you think might be of benefit to this. Tag any worship leaders, guitar players in general, who might want to expand their chord playing and their efficiency while being on stage and really facilitating others in worship.